Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Hadin ka jing up kamilinti ka babun bun snem ki Paidbah jokathan Byrnihat kila Kmen hadu kata-kata hadin balakiu Kyrdan ya ka Byrnihat Primary Health Center syaka Community Health Center da ka jing bo mau nongrem jong menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat kongkol sangma ha ka jing yalang ka blalong halum nongrem Byrnihat kum banchupetip hangni ba ka Byrnihat Primary Health Center kala ai jing syakriya gi sauho hajar ngot ki Paidbah nong snong ha kaliang ka kot ka khia bat lingba ka ni ka jing Kyntiew syaka Kyrdan Community Health Center un sabo hadu lai phau tili ki jing thia man ai jing sumar syaki nongpang ha ka ni ka jing yalang la sakhilang do MLA ka jirang constituency uba Sostina Sotun MDC uba Victor Rani additional deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district uba M Tongper District Medical and Health Officer ka Ribhoi District Dr. P Kharani ki officer na katrat ka kot ka khia bat kiwe
ADC sir.
Naki senjuk rang bashnong iba menshwa ila dawa ban pentiu Kyrdan ya kasih ya kapitsi syakasih ila bashnong iba menca ila dawa ban pentiu Kyrdan ya kapitsi syakasih kiseng long keme ki baper kiseng samla ki baper kiseng baro kiseng balang babun kila dawa ban pentiu Kyrdan ya kapitsi syakasih. And sir, I remember in the year 2009, 10, 8, 9, 10, I remember at the time I was as an NGO leader, we have all came together with the headman, Li Senglong Kme, to demand for the upgradation of Byrnihat PHC into a CHC. But at that time, in those times, that government, the then government, could not respond to the demand of the people of Byrnihat area. And today, we are very much fortunate, we are very lucky to have you, sir, a young, dynamic, dedicated leader of the state of Meghalaya, Sir Conrad K. Sangma. After a long wait, and now, the people of Byrnihat area, especially the villages which covered under this PHC, we will feel that our Honorable Chief Minister is not only the Chief Minister, and he is the father figure of the people of Jirang constituency. Byrnihat PHC, Byrnihat area kajungi. Hakapa I Honorable Chief Minister jungi. Ibalong kumupa omday tang kumu Chief Minister. Balong kumupa jung ka constituency kajungi. Ibala simkia, iba response ya ka ay ka ba mangingi kren Yaka kabangi dawa. Gumalong mene after a long week, and I'm very much happy, sir, that even though in those time, 2008, 9, 10, we are not seeing the upgradation of PHC, and here in my term as the MLA, you are coming to declare, to announce the upgradation of Byrnihat PHC to an HCHC. I'm very much thankful to you, sir. The people of my constituency will always remember, and we will always pray for you, sir. And as myself, I'm always praying for Honorable Chief Minister every day in my prayers that he will come back as the Chief Minister, he will win, he will come back as the MLA from Tura, and I would like to request all of you to pray for our great leader.
A very important and in a way a very historic moment. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for the wonderful blessings that He has given to the people of the state and our country, and for having given us this beautiful day today so that we can all gather and witness another blessing from Him, which is the upgradation of the PHC in Byrnihat to a CHC. I was listening to the speech of Honorable MLA, and in his speech he mentioned about his height. But when you heard his speech, his voice and his aggression in his speech compensated for the height. In a way, it reminded me of late P.A. Sangma, another person who may not have been in structure-wise that tall, but had a very powerful voice, strong determination, and deep sense of commitment and love for his people. And today, I see the same qualities in your MLA. In fact, my father was very fond of him because he used to say that at least there's somebody who's at my same height. So I like to take pictures with Basoto. So it is great to see a young and a dynamic leader like Basoto, who has dedicated himself for the cause of the people of Jirang constituency and the Riboy district as a whole. He has given the results for the people. Things don't happen just like that. You have to remember. Meghalaya is a small state compared to the rest of the country, but within the state itself it is very big. We have a large population. We have a large number of constituencies. Every constituency has got different issues. And hence, it is not always possible for government to resolve every single issue of every single constituency, because resources are limited. But in the last 4.5 years, and if you were to minus COVID, that would leave us only with 2.5 years. The amount of dedication and hard work that your MLA and this government has put in, we have seen large changes and development works that have come to Jirang constituency. And when I say that, I'm not saying it's enough. There is miles to go. Lot of projects and works to be done. But I think we are on the right track. I think the process of bringing a change for the people of Jirang and the people of our state has started, and we are moving in the right direction. We are seeing the changes that are taking place in simply the way the departments function today. We have many departments and a lot of resources and funds used to go in, still go in. But we are seeing that even though the amounts may have increased by a certain percentage, but the implication of that at the grassroots level is much more compared to the level of investment that is increased. Which means that there is something right that is happening at the grassroots level. That there is a change in the way governance is happening at the grassroots level. Small differences and small changes we are making, small inputs that we are putting in, is leading to big impact at the grassroots level. Our Ashas are here with us today. There was a time when large amounts were pending for the Ashas. There are always challenges. But I'm happy to say that in the last 4.5 years, almost close to 18 plus crores health services will be delivered. Because we have started a pilot project which is going to be implemented from next week. Already the contract and all the work has been done. Work order has been given. Where we are going to digitize the entire patient record and the entire system of services that we're going to, health services will provide, from the CHC level all the way up to the district civil hospital. No longer will doctors have to spend hours and hours filing reports and updating the records of the patients anymore. Which I know that doctors have to spend hours doing that. And that takes away the precious time which they could use to actually attend to the patients. The paperwork is too much. And therefore, once the computerized system comes in, and this is one of a kind of its projects in the region and in the country today, where you will see that the entire health services will be transformed. And we have chosen Riboy as the pilot district to start this project. Soon you will see within a matter of months the way the information and records of the patients, the way the future of health services with the use of technology, the use of software and application is going to change the way the health services are being delivered to the people. So if you are able to keep record of the patients, if you are able to ensure that all the paperwork is digitized, the efficiency of the system will go up. We will be able to use this digital data to be able to predict, do data analysis, and to be able to tell you that if the next year during the monsoon season, the trend showed us last year that there were a lot of diarrhea cases between children, and hence the medicines for diarrhea need to be stocked up in the month of March, April, to be able to face the situation in the month of July, August. These kind of predictions will allow us to be able to serve you better in a more efficient way with the same resources that we have. This is transformational. And I'm happy to inform you that this is going to start from Riboy district.
Henry, hakane ka Kmen menta, alas ngap ni kajiwat jingnam, jong yi di Paidbah jong ane kathan. Ide benai jiro, ya kade Kmen hakaji lam start jong Sri Konrad Sangma, ublesar na kamenta, kade kajing ai ka jong pi yang yi, ya kade ka CSC, na kamenta ka jong yi pakathan jong yi baroy. Ngai kublei parpaklo, dia UMLA ka jong yi. Ba Chris Kmen bersih, berpendio hanya kena CSC. Nama hakapol kajilap election kajingi. Ladang ini hajan, ini ke social media, iong ba, inlay punta, hinray, sisa ong ba, manang bread kena ke CSC kajumpi sa CSC hinray kalau orang. Sar, dapat ditrace sam kung ping nilayo, ya kan ka CSC ka jungi ya kan ka PSC sa ka CSC ka jungi komplesi bulsa na dari trace tom dupi lang bo MBC ka jungi si Victor ani yang di trace tom dupi da ka na ku beru ki rang baslong tiba ya don ha kan ka por usanjuk ki rang baslong da ka than baru anggota sekretariat presiden bagi trace tom na kamta meniro na kan lang ki amale benyo ya kan ka CSC ka jungi menta kasni Penting kami yang kena kasih hakar kom kepada namar kagomen kalau aing yang kena kasih ombre bang isu eka dan nilai kata kadur bang nilai kun jaka ni semua hendra kesama ngapi penting kami ka hakar kom kepada lah kade ka kutja kuba lah kade kena kena kebentar
Hakane kapor nak liang jonga kumu Sharman jong kasinjok kidor bar senang Byrnihat area rungkat lang sekretari jong kasinjok ni penpau kejing Kmen ka bakrau do kata-kata ba hadin kejing kminti kejungi kejing dawa jungi nawe kapor sebai kapor dan bagi sarkar ba pher kibla lek no asdin rei kimpat sem la urlong kejing dawa jungi de ki pau stam kibla lek no asdin Bat haduk kena kesengi ke bawah mentang, ikut pau ke jing songo ke bakrau kaptam yau blay nombok nang thau jungi, bat dia kena kesengi ya ke ba chief minister badan burom jungi Sri Konrad ke Sangma ilawan banyu kejat hakane ka than jungi hakane ka Byrnihat jungi ya ke ban penkiu Kyrdan no ya kene ka PSC syaka CXC ban upgrade no ya ka nang ba kalong ka jing mentoy Namanta jong ini ka thanhi jungi berakoi. Namar bakane ka PSC ka bang idon menta. Kolong ka baduna jing thia. Baduna ki doctors ki nurse bat ki lat jing sumar ki sibun ki jing duna. Henrei menta habala penki upat syaka CSC. Kalong ka jing Kmen ka bakrau namata jungi hi we jong ini ka than Byrnihat. Namar bakane ka PSC berosikata ka kobar hado si sauspa tam Krishna. Rei mentapat iso Kmen ke bakrau lungba kan ka CSC kebala upgrade mai kan yarap sibun nak mentahi jong wei nong snong ba pha banwan sumar akan ka CSC mar baros kata nia kmi lenti benyelek senong po sagwati rei menta nang lesman ni kmi lenti ba barokhot kan long bai hang nehi nam ta ki nong snong wei denak liang jonga ngam don sibun ki ke ban ai kejing keren de kapor kalong kejing kublai kerpang khamtam yau MLA jungi de da kejing tristem kejungi bat u MDC lokal MDC jungi bat kumjo mangi kirang ba snong barkwat ya ka ban ya pen urlong lang ya kene kejing dawa bat ban yo ro ya kene ka CSC ka ba mai ka bala upgrade no na ka PSC sa CSC tai nik
minister will become but especially this is the luckiest moment for us which we have dreamed for long back, to upgrade this PHC to CHC. And at the time, when we were having a meeting, at the time, Badeng Soton, he was as a NGO president, and we are having discussion about this. Then at the time also, we discussed about this, but we could not fulfill that promise. But as MLA, as soon as he become MLA, what he have promised before, that he have fulfilled it. And we are very lucky to have this kind of MLA who look after, who think for the betterment of our society. It is a very lucky moment for us to receive this kind of, to upgrade this PSC to CHC by our sitting minister, Kyrdan Sangma, through our MLA, because our MLA worked very hard. Though he was in NGO, but still he has given the promise. He have promised to uplift this PHC to CHC. Then same time, after he become MLA, but he have fulfilled our promise.